Good morning. It's Monday, December 2nd, 2024, and we're in the next phase of making your woods work, sustainable harvesting and land management here at Bonnie Bray Farm. And we're expecting Austin from Beaver Works Leasing to be bringing a Turbosawmill that these are manufactured in New Zealand, and Barbara and I love New Zealand, so this is definitely a plus. So this is the beginning.
Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. This video is part of the Sustainable Forestry playlist and discusses the rental of a Turbosawmill from Beaver Works Leasing, located in Lyman, Maine. Austin also is an authorized dealer of Turbosawmill, if you are interested in going that route. As you will see, he sets up the mill for you based on the location of your logs and the space you have. My pile was oriented in two ways, and he explained options of moving the mill rather than the logs. I chose to operate it just as he set it up.
So pretty simple, just line those holes up.
And with your right hand, you're keeping tension.
Yep. And then I want to check and see, have I shined it out?
Okay, yeah.
Kind of like that top and bottom. What I can see, there's a little bit there I didn't, so I'll do a little more. And if you do hit a piece of metal or something, and the tooth isn't, there's just like a little chip in it, or there's a little rock or something, you chip it. You can, and I will do this. I'll take this off, which is where the water should be coming out. We'll get that going hopefully in a minute here. And I'll let some water fall on it so that it cools it, and I can really grind it.
Oh, okay, yeah, sure. Just like a quenching thing on a grinder. Yep.
Same hole. End up right there.
Okay.
Screw that piece all the way in, because it will flatten out any threads left exposed. Anything works for this. This is just the piece of junk.
To hold it. Yep.
Piece of junk that I have in there.
Oh yeah, I see how that pops out.
Yep.
Okay.
It pops right out. Peel it on. And you can put something here to block the other side, but I find it honestly goes in easy enough that I don't necessarily have to. This time.
Oh yeah.
Well done. Fresh tooth.
He shows you log placement on the cribs he provides, and how to establish the first cut to eliminating the project. Here's an option on how to make stickers for your piles of lumber. I hope this video helps you decide that sawing your own logs in the southern Maine area is an option. I will post the next video on specifics and how-tos and other resources I learned over several days. Thank you for watching.
Well, we're into this for a little over 4 hours, and that includes some time that Austin from Beaver Works Leasing helped me get set up. It's a Turbosawmill M8 2.8, as you can see. And I've got some 1x over there and some 4x6s, both 8 and 12 footers. There's a 2x8 over there on the right side, and some 2x4s and 2x6s on the left. So getting along pretty good. Definitely a learning curve. I'm going to clean up some of the sawdust and get that out of my way before I get this next log on and getting ready to get it done.